Mabuhay Madayao, on behalf of Wonder Travels and Tour, I am RYNA with the capital RYNA, your tour guide that will accompany you in today's adventure. Here with me, our driver, Mang Berto. He is a professional licensed driver since 2004. Say hi, Mang Berto. So, for your information, we will be using this white van with the plate number DC554. Okay, let's do some head count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 20. Perfect. But before we proceed to our trip, there are some friendly reminders and safety precautions that I want you to know so that our tour will be smooth, flowing, and hassle-free. First, you must remember that always wear your face mask, bring your alcohol, and apply lotion and sunscreen protection because you will be exposed to the sun for a long hour. Second, synchronize your time with me so no one will left behind. The time with me is 7:45 a.m. and observe a body-body system, walk in a pair so no one will get lost. Third, I have here a whistle and 2 flags. If you see me raising this yellow flag, that means you have time to roam around the place. And if you hear this whistle, and at the same time raising this red flag, that means it's time to go to another area of the place. And lastly, I have here first aid kit in case of emergency. Are we clear now? Is there any question? I think it's none. So, arat na! Now, welcome to the Fortis Nature Park here in Montevesta, Davao de Oro. This place offers an escape from urban hustle and lets you experience a break that only nature can give. Come inside and let's explore the place. What better way to document this experience is to take nice photos. This place is really meticulous in making sure that it is Instagram worthy. Irresistibly beautiful, this place have spot within the area that will make you stand out your picture. Strike a poses in this valley-inspired view, Kawabat, Mirador de Cuarenta, and in for flower garden. They have music wall, rubber flap, and you can ride also a boat. Time's up, tourists. Let's go to another place. Time's up, tourists. Let's go to another place. They also have Cali's Villa. If you want to stay here all night, you can book their rooms. Time's up, tourists. Let's go to another place. Best Nature Park is not just an inland resort with swimming pool and perfect scenery. It also has its own restaurant that serves their customers. And this is the end of our tour. On behalf of Wonder Travels and Tour, we thank you for being here today, taking the time to visually what we have to say. And I wish you had a memorable tour journey. Learning a lot of this trip. Kita-kita sa susunod na biyahe.